This is the M62TU oil pump, so it's more or less the same on M60 and M62. And as I said, in my case, this is M62TU engine. So you have two nuts, these are 13mm nuts, this is a 16mm nut and 13mm bolt. And just make sure you use an Allen key in order to adjust the tension here. So I'm sure you can see it. Not sure you can see it very well here in the camera, but basically what it is, it's an 8mm Allen key. So obviously you're gonna insert this the other way around from underneath and then just rotate it and tense the chain. At this point we want to replace some of the seals here. So you have one seal in this little hole here, and then you have another seal in here. So this is your out feed and this is your in feed, so this is where it sucks the oil from and this is where it comes out of. I'm going to open this kit and I'm going to take out only what I need for now. I don't want to cut it completely because I don't want to lose any of the other gaskets. So this is all I'm going to be using from this kit. So I've previously off camera I've removed this seal here, which obviously makes contact with this and seals this oil pipe, which is this one here, and then the one in this groove is the green looking one, and then this one here is from this little oil pipe. So I've done this off camera and I'm going to install them. So from my little kit here, from my pouch that I was showing you earlier, I found the correct sizes and I'm going to install them now. So make sure it sits correctly. The hole here is oily, so it should be fine. Obviously it's good to put a bit of oil. The little pipe is oily and the groove, the little seat here is oily, so that should be sufficient. And I'm going to install this one here. And this one goes inside. Make sure it's not twisted, sits correctly, and just do a quick test. Yeah, it sits very well, nice and tight. So that's the oil pump. All the seals replaced and ready to be installed. Now I'm going to show you how to install an oil pump on a BMW V8 engine. So this is the same procedure for M60, M62 and the M62TU engine. You have two pipes. This is for the dirty oil, the unfiltered oil, and this is for the return filtered oil. So you want to remove the small pipe and insert it in place. So this is how the BMW manual shows you how to do this. Gently take this out and install the bigger pipe in place. I'm gonna place this pipe here just to hold it in place, and what you want to do is you want to use some Loctite. I'm using medium strength 243. I have a full review on this product versus Chinese fake stuff. If you want to have a look at that, help yourself. So thread lock on the threads. So these threads I have cleaned them previously with brake cleaner. So I'm applying the thread lock here, and then I'm going to install the nut. And on the actual stud as well. Now leave this bolt here. This is a 13mm bolt. don't install it yet. So what you want to do is you want to install your sprocket, and what you want to do is place the sprocket on the chain. Get yourself a flat screwdriver, and you want to rotate this until it aligns with the sprocket. That's the sprocket in place. Now, more thread lock on the thread of the shaft. This is the oil pump shaft. Install the nut. Gonna go back and forth a few times just to spread the thread lock. The best thing to do is to lock your crankshaft and your flywheel, so then obviously you're not putting tension on the actual crankshaft and your timing chains here. Tension your chain. So currently the way it is, it's quite loose. So the way you put tension on this chain is by inserting an Allen key. Let me see if I can get it from here. Yeah, that would be easier. So open up so it touches. This is tight. I'm going to loosen this a little bit. I have made a previous video on how to correctly tension the chain. So please, if you want to see more details, have a look at that video. I'm going to put a little bit more tension here. Once you tighten the bolt a little bit, just check your tension again. Make sure you're happy with this tension. And then I'm going to use a torque wrench and apply 21 Newton meters of torque on this bolt. This is 8.8 strength, and it's M8. Install the oil pump cover. That's 10 Newton meters. And that's job done. Hope you enjoy this and you found it helpful.